Hello learners, today I am going to discuss about arithmetic logic shift unit. So what is arithmetic logic shift unit? It is the unit in which all the three circuits are implemented as it is shown in the diagram. It is the one stage of arithmetic logic shift unit in which we have arithmetic circuit, logic circuit and shift. In shift we have two operations, shift right, shift left, and this is whole arithmetic circuit and whole logic circuit. So here are two inputs AI and BI. दोनों इनपुट्स आपके अरिथमेटिक सर्किट में भी जा रही हैं एंड इन लॉजिक सर्किट दे आर ऑल्सो गोइंग. Two are selection lines S0 and S1 which are going to arithmetic circuit as well as to the logic circuit. These selection lines has the purpose of selecting the micro operation, whether the micro operation of arithmetic will execute or from the logic circuit will execute. Then here is the carry associated with the arithmetic circuit. If the carry comes, it will be cascaded to the next stage of the arithmetic circuit. Then here comes DI, EI, which are the outputs from the arithmetic circuit and logic circuit, and they become input to the multiplexer. Here the multiplexer is 4 into 1. That means it takes 4 inputs and give you one output, which is indicated by Fi. Here is also select, as S2 and S3 are the selection lines which are going to this multiplexer, and ये सिलेक्शन लाइंस आपके सिलेक्ट करेंगी कि आपका अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होगा, लॉजिकल होगा या आपका शिफ्ट ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होगा. So this is about the diagram. So now comes the functional table of arithmetic logic shift unit. First of all, you have operation selection S3, S2, S1, S0 and C input. These all are inputs from where we are able to get the operation specified and their function. So first we have S3 and S2, their values are 0, 0 till here, as these all are representing arithmetic micro operation as indicated here 0, and 0 the output is coming from arithmetic circuit. That's why all these zeros are representing arithmetic micro operations. Next is 0, 1. Here is the 0, 1 till here, and 0, 1 is the code for 1. So the 1 has input from logic circuit. So that means कि सारे logic operations जो perform होंगे उनकी output इधर से आएगी. Then is 1, 0. 1, 0, that is shift right, 2 value stands for 1, 0. So here is 1, 0 representing shift right. And next is 1, 1. 1, 1 is here code of 3. So shift right, and here is shift left. So now comes these selection lines S1, S0. Here we assume that first of all S1, S0 जो है वो 0 वैल्यू ले रहा है. दो केसेस लेंगे बिकॉज जो आपकी कैरी है उसके भी दो केस बनते हैं, या तो वो 0 होगी या वो 1 होगी. That's why we have selection lines 0, 0 for 2 times. Next is 0, 1 for 1. या तो 0 होगी कैरी इनपुट या 1 होगी. Again 1, 0, 1, 0 2 times because carry input can be 1 or 0. Then here is 1. Here selection lines 0, 0, and here carry input is don't care because in logic circuit we do not need any carry. हमें कैरी नहीं चाहिए इन ऑर्डर टू परफॉर्म लॉजिक माइक्रो ऑपरेशन, सो हमने क्रॉस कर दिया. देन यहाँ पे हमने S1, S0 सिलेक्शन लाइन को भी क्रॉस किया और कैरी को भी किया बिकॉज हेयर इट इज़ कमिंग दैट इट इज़ डायरेक्टली गोइंग टू द मल्टीप्लेक्सर and it is only dealing with the selection lines S2 and S3. S1 and S0 are not involved in shift circuit. So that's why here we have marked it cross. So now talk about arithmetic function. The first micro operation here is, you can use this formula as you have used in the previously arithmetic circuit, a plus y plus carry input. So here a is the input value, we write it here, and y input comes from b. So here you write b, and carry is 0. So here the result comes to be a plus b, and function performed is add. It is performing add. Similarly, when carry input becomes 1, here you add 1, then the operation becomes add with carry. Similarly, moving on, you can write the operations, and in case of logical micro operations, if the value is 0, 0, function performed is AND. Similarly, you can write the operations, the basic operations, and then here is the shift right and shift left. So similarly, if you see, these are the following micro operations: arithmetic, logical and shift. In arithmetic, again after addition you have S0 selection line value 1. When it becomes 1, the value of y becomes complemented. If it is b, now it's become b complement. So here is the whole list of arithmetic micro operations, logical micro operations and shift micro operations. So this is your arithmetic logic shift unit with the block diagram and its functional table. Stay tuned with the SAM Quick Learning channel for the further videos.